Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Chromebook supports the method you'll use. Once done, plug the USB-C or HDMI adapter into the laptop you want to display. Next, install and enable Chrome Remote Desktop or a VNC client on the source device and the Chromebook. This gives you network-based display capability. If you prefer wired capture, attach a USB capture dongle to the Chromebook and install the driver. Make sure power and Wi-Fi remain connected during setup. Once the hardware is attached, configure your software. You'll set resolution and scaling on the source machine to match Chromebook display proportions. This prevents stretching. Make sure to authorize the remote session with your Google account or a secure PIN. For VNC, confirm the password and encryption. Then launch the Capture or Remote app on the Chromebook and choose the source device. If latency appears, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection or reduce color depth to improve performance and responsiveness. Finalize the setup by locking orientation and disabling sleep on both devices so the connection stays active. Test audio routing. Choose whether sound plays on the Chromebook or the source device and adjust volume. Calibrate color and reduce latency by toggling frame rate or lowering resolution if you see lag. If it fails, reauthorize the remote session, restart the Capture and Chromebook apps, or swap cables and adapters. This single troubleshooting step fixes most connection problems quickly, so try.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.